This is Activity 5.1 on page 81, Adding Resources. The file we'll be working with in this activity is titled HR Manual Resources. Your WBS and schedule are looking good, and it is time to enter resources into your project plan. You will need people to perform the tasks, paper on which to print the HR manual, and money for travel for team members to attend meetings. The PMO has given you a budget for the project, and you need to enter it into the project plan so you can track progress and not run over the allotted funds. At this point in the project, you do not know the names of the individuals who will work on it. So you decide to use their work roles instead. Later in the project, you will replace the roles with names. Each individual will work full-time on the project. So we're going to start by opening up our file. I'm going to go to Open, click Browse, and you want to navigate to your home drive in your Project Part 1 folder. And this is Lesson 5, which is titled Managing Project Resources. So we will open up that subfolder. And the file name that we want is HR Manual Resources. Select that and click Open. And before we make any changes, we're going to do a Save As, File, Save As. We're just going to make a copy. We're going to select our current folder, Managing Project Resources, and we're going to update the name to My HR Manual Resources and click Save. Number 3, enter the Project Manager resource into the plan. We're going to go up to our View tab, and we're going to select Resource Sheet View. In the resource name field, we're going to enter Project Manager, and we're going to tab over. Work is automatically entered into the type field by default. We're going to press Tab twice to move to the Initials field, and in this field, we're going to enter PM. We're going to leave the default information in the other fields unchanged, and you can see that Project automatically assigns the GCNB standard calendar to our resource. We're going to also enter the following roles and initials of other work resources. So in the next resource name, we're going to enter Writer 1 with the initials W1. Then next we have Writer 2. Tab over to initials, and that's going to be W2. Next we have Editor. Tab over to the initials, and that's going to be E. Then we have Attorney 1. Oops. Tab over, and that's going to be A1 initials. Next we have Attorney 2. Tab over, and that's going to be the initials A2. And then lastly, we have HR Manager. Tab over, and that's going to be the initials HRM. Number 4, add paper as a material resource. So after HR Manager, we're going to enter paper, tab over, but we're going to change the type to material. And the material label is going to be reams. Tab over to the initial, and we're going to use our delete key to delete that initial. Next, number 5, we're going to enter travel expense as a cost resource. So after paper, this is going to be travel expense. Tab over, and we're going to change this type to cost. And tab to initials and delete the T. Number 6, enter project budget as a cost resource. After travel expense, we have project budget. Tab over, and this is going to be a cost type resource. And tab over to the initial, and we will delete that. Number 7, modify the project budget resource to be a budget cost resource. We're going to double click on project budget. This opens up the resource information dialog box. And here we want to check off the budget checkbox. This enables you to track the actual costs of the project compared to the budgeted costs. And we can click OK from here. We're going to go up to our quick access toolbar and select Save. And we will leave this file open for our next activity.